Good morning, everyone. Out for a nice walk. Why? To center myself. I'm in the middle of traffic, yeah, a little bit. People passing by, sure. But I'm also in the middle of something else. What do you want to focus on? What is your objective? What is your awareness? Listen to the waves, the turmoil of life. And then you look up, the clouds on the horizon, and how it makes me feel. That's when I focus on what life is not giving me. But then all I have to do is turn slightly, and the clouds start disappearing, as you see. So what do we want to focus on? What is our awareness? In my life, am I walking, just looking at what is right in front of me, looking down and seeing all the difficulties, or just what is part of my world? Or do I rise, I lift my head, and I see something else, part of the beauty that surrounds me? No matter where you are, this is the question. Am I doing this, or am I doing this? It's a choice. A sneak peek behind the curtain. Some fast highlights. More coming soon. You definitely don't want to skip this wonderful workshop.